Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening as per your time zone. I, Aparnika Sahu, welcome you all again to my channel Dance with Aparnika. As we learned in our previous video how to do Pakkam Adavu step number 4. So without further ado, let's move on to Pakkam Adavu step number 5. This step is totally different from the previous all 4 steps. In this step, we have to stand on the left side and walk 8 steps towards the right. 1. So in number 1, we will take a jump, then tap right foot first. In number 2, we'll take back the left foot on your toe. And repeat this method till number 8. Same process will follow from the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We use Katka Mukha and Ala Padma gesture in both the hands. And to walk on the right side, we have to stand on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you must have noticed that in Pakkam Adavu step number 3, we had taken the hands from bottom to top. But in this step, we bring the hands from top to bottom. And keep in mind that your hand should not stop. The hand should keep moving with the flow. And also there is one trick to do this step properly. So what will you do? You have to set numbers in some fixed points. Like in number 1, our hands should be on the top. In number 4, hands should be straight towards the edges. In number 7, hands should be downwards. And the last in number 8 in the front side. One more important thing. When you will move in any direction, whatever right or left, you have to look on the other side while walking. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's see how this step is done with the feet movements. Right 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, tai, tai, ta, ta, thit, tai, tai, ta, 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 tai, tai, ta, ta, thit, tai, tai, tat, ta, tai, tai, tat, 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 thit, tai, tai, ta, tai, tai, tat, thit, tai, tai, tat, 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 ta. So this is Pakkam Adavu step number 5. And if you missed Pakkam Adavu step number 1, 2, 3 and 4, so go to my channel where my all videos are available. And also you can check in my description box. I hope these all steps will be helpful for learning Bharatnatyam. For any query related to dance, you can ask to me in my comment box. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.